Hello, ako po si DJ Sandra at yung voice-over si GulGul. Ay, ang bilis na. Red water daw. Tubig na may kulay. Silk Collagen Ampoule. Okay, ito ata yung makeup routine niya. So kung gusto nyo yung skin routine ng DJ Sandra, i-follow nyo yung routine na to. Center Get Back Cream. Yes, I want to get back to the Philippines. Bye-bye, Corona. AHC Angeles Real Eye Cream. Ay, ageless daw. Angeles tuloy. Oh, sige. I-rub mo yan, ha. Rub. Rub it like a rabbit. Like a Jollibee. But it's a bee. Alright. Rub it until your nose, your eyes. Sunblock by Atomy. Pero rainy season na. Kailangan pa ba yung sunblock na yan? Naka-block na yung sun sa mga clouds. Pero yun, kailangan daw. Sebum Cut Clearing Cream. Okay. I really don't know what's the effect for that for your skin, pero kung gusto nyo talaga, sige, try nyo. Cover Fixing Cushion daw. Ang kailangan nyo i-remember ay 21.5. Hindi yan 89.5 when radio, pero yun. It's whitening ata yan. Kailangan ko ata yan kasi maitim yung skin ko. Walang racism dito, ha? Rainbow tayo. Equal tayo lahat. Alam niyo yun. Kailangan ng message na yan. Equal tayo lahat. Sige, pat. Next daw. Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. Ang haba ng name ng makeup stuffs, no? Sige, go. Bye-bye, eyebugs. Oh, bye-bye din ilong. Innisfree. No sebum powder packed. Is it also whitening? I think that's one I need to. 3CE Multi-Eye Color Palette. So it comes with 9 colors, and these are the colors that I usually use. So yung sa gitna ata yung pinaka-paborito niya kasi yun yung halos wala na. No? Yung pinaka-gitna, yung pinaka sa top. Oh, parang gaming. Tap. Choose your color. Tapos, apply to your eyes. Oh, she's forgetting what's next. Oh, ano yan? Ba't may pen ka? Oh, why are you drawing? Ba't walang name? Ano yung name ng product na yan? Di ko alam yan, DJ Sandra. Ate, kailangan ko ng caption na yan. Ano ba yun? Brush pa tawag dyan? Eye brush. And then you can connect it to your nose. And what the hell is this? Parang scissors ata to. Ang tawag dyan? Extender ba yun? Parang clipper ata. Tapos may chop. Oh, magaling si ate. Next time I go back to the Philippines, I'll look for DJ Sandra. Ano to? Oh, kunwari walang nangyari. Non-stop Swift. Oh, ngayon meron na, may caption na. Lip paint. Oh, happy siya. Ang alam ko, yung puso ng makeup ay yung sa lips. Aba, talagang puso. Kulay dugo ng daga. Annyeong. So this was my makeup routine. Voice over was Kim GulGul. Until next time, annyeong.